everybody, this video is inspired by Brittney Kade. She is an adult film star. So I was inspired to do Brittney's makeup for this. I think she is so cunty and so beautiful, and I wanted to pay homage to her. The hair is inspired by this photo. It is like super beautiful, big, curly with this bang. I don't have a wig with that specific bang, so I'm kind of mimicking one here with layers that are curled. So I know it's not like specific or whatever, but just, you know, squint your eyes a bit. Their makeup is inspired by this photo shoot here. Loved how this looked. I loved the like subtle kind of pink orange that she had on the eye with the bold eyeliner and the bold lashes. You know I love a bold lash. And Brittney's lips, loves it. If I could afford it, I would definitely have lips that big. Thank you guys so much for watching. Brittney, if you see this, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you know how much of an icon you are. Thank you so much for serving all these looks and being so iconic. Actually, you're a trans icon. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, so we're starting off with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. And I'll be using the Louise Base on the eyes and using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pricked Eyeshadow Palette. I have to lower my purse to the ground because my kitty is coming over, one of them. So for the colors we're using today, we're going to be using Unpeeled Pleasure on the lid, Cutting Edge on the inner portion of the lid, Mysterious Circumstances, just touched on the outer corner, and that is it. Mysterious Circumstances, this is the color I'm using now, and then I go ahead and I apply Unpeeled Pleasure over top of it. I just wanted to give a touch of depth on the outer corner. Not much at all. And then I went into as well too the Sugarpill Tako eyeshadow. Loves it. Best white eyeshadow you can get. I will never not have it in my collection again. I applied that heavily on the inner corner. Britt has a really bright inner corner, so I wanted to emulate that in a really bright under eye, which I live for. So really packing that on. Now my eye did, when I applied eyeliner on my one eye, which you'll see I actually slowed down so you can see how I fixed it, it started to leak, like my eye. There was not a lick of dryness. It was soaked. Irritated. I don't know what the fuck. Anyway, so the eyeliner started bleeding. I went ahead and showed how I fixed it, and I used a bit of a makeup wipe just to wipe off the inner corner, and then applied my base again, and then applied the shadow again, and that really was the perfect fix. And I applied as well too the Tanais Divine Kalo Kajal pencil. It's just a black eyeliner on my waterline and on my tight line as well too. For the mascara, I used Benefit Their Real Magnetic Mascara. Hi, sweetie. Can you guys hear her? And this is where I just apply my base again. And you want to make sure that you're applying a really thin coat of the base if you are touching up eyeliner mistakes, and then applying eyeshadow back over top of it. And it is good as new. So that was good. I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys like how I fixed a mistake. Then I'm using the Putty Perfect Primer. I can't remember what it's called. The e.l.f. Putty Perfection or something like that. And I went ahead and used the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer all over. on my under eyes, my forehead, and my chin. Then I use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. And I used the, I can't believe I just said L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, stunned. I used the, oh my god, L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation. Oh my god, sorry. I'm fucked up. And I smear that all over my face with a brush, and then I go back into the sponge that I used for concealer and just dab everything out. And I used the sponge to kind of take away any brush strokes or unevenness, that type of thing. Then I used the P. Louise Coral Morals Liquid Blush, and on the contour or bronzer, whichever one, I used the Makeup Revolution Light Ultra Cream Bronzer. If you guys have been here for a while, you may remember my doing makeup inspired by my cats series. And I had one inspired by my dog, rest in peace, Pepper, and my bird. And the girl who is sitting with me is Kleenex from that video. So, from those videos, I should say. So I am getting lots of love right now. I know you're jealous. So I'm applying that Makeup Revolution Ultra Cream Bronzer all over the perimeter of the face. No stark lines when it comes to contour. And then just blending that blush out. I love that blush color. It's so universal too. It would look good on any skin color. Then I go ahead and apply the MAC Studio Fix powder. I use the white color here. So I used Shivering White, and I apply that on my inner corner to emulate Brittney's inner corner, that really bright under eye. Then I used the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. Actually, before I did that, I used my regular skin color powder all over my face. So I think it's like NC18 or NC15 or something like that. And then I went ahead with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. I apply that all over my face, make sure everywhere is dry. I hate having tackiness, so I just made sure that the, I run my fingers over it to make sure it's dry. Fully set. For powder blush, and then I fan that away, by the way. I don't just leave the powder on my mug. I fan everything away. Then I use the Sheglam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush and the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Omega Bronze. The Omega Bronze is good. I don't even know if they make it anymore. I don't even know if Marc Jacobs makes makeup anymore. I truly have no idea. But a good dupe for that is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Smells the same and everything. So here I am just reinforcing that white under eye. And then going in with that blush, like I mentioned, the Sheglam Tangerine. And this is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze, just giving some light color to the face. Nothing too drastic. For highlighter, I use the Colourpop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek, and then over top of that, in a more concentrated area, I use the Danessa Myricks Enlight Halo in Ice. And I use the Danessa Myricks just on the highest points of the cheeks. Right there. For under eyes, I use that same black eyeliner. The liquid eyeliner I used was the e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen, which was kind of jokes because it was not H2O proof. My eye was watering. The TV was leaking. Then I am blending out that bottom eyeliner. Not with any shadow or anything, just blending that out. For lips, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, and I apply that along the perimeter of the lips and then blended it in a little bit. Then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glass Crystal lip gloss, and that's just a clear gloss. A lip gloss, a clear gloss. And I just go ahead and blend that lip liner with the gloss on top. For hair, I took a 1 1/4 inch curling iron, I believe it is. It is a flat wrap technique, so I brush it out and then go ahead and curl it. It is a Marcel iron. You don't have to use a Marcel iron. And oh, by the way, also I set my face with the Creme Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist. The bang, we want to make sure that there is a deep side bang like this. So I'm just wetting it down, and then I used a round brush blow dryer just to make sure that went in that direction. This is a heat protectant. This is not water. That's water. But I did go ahead and blow dry that like I mentioned, and then just use a little bit of hairspray. So we are just curling this. Honestly, the bottom layer can be whichever direction, but the top layer, you want it to go away from your face. That's just in my opinion for this specific look. And we will be curling the bangs under, and that is just to give a nice swoop. If I had shorter bangs, it would definitely work better for this look, but she does have a swoop with the look, so all is good. All is good in the world because Brittney has a swoop in her bang. In her bange. So I just said blending that out. Oh my gosh. So brushing that out before each curl, just so that it doesn't get, you know, tangly or anything like that. And that's it. You're all good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.